This is type of reaction observation number 1. Manganese dioxide catalyzed the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas. First, I'm going to place the magnesium dioxide into the test tube. Unfortunately, this time only I have is a magnesium powder. As we talk about the catalyst, it is not involved in the reaction, it only speed up the progress. So what normally we can do is putting the solid magnesium dioxide into the test tube, measure it first, then put in a test tube, then after a reaction take it out and measure the mass. Before and after the reaction for magnesium dioxide should remain the same, but since this is a powder form, so it's actually hard to tell the mass. So right now I'm just going to show you the reaction. So putting magnesium dioxide in the bottom, then I will pour hydrogen peroxide into it. I guess this is a test run. We'll do it again. Trial number 2. I'm going to reduce the amount of magnesium dioxide I put in, just tiny bit. And instead of using 34% of hydrogen peroxide, this time I'm going to use 3%. Let's see what happened this time. So as you can see, it's still fizzing up, and you can see there is the cloudy gas that you've seen. So what we said, should be oxygen. So what we can test it out also by just using a wooden stick. I'll light up the wooden stick and gently blow on it so there's not an open flame, and put it in the test tube. If it's oxygen, it's gonna help it to relight it up. As you can see, it started relighting up a bit, but here you go. So that identify it is oxygen. So this is how the test tube looked like after a night of settling. As you can see, manganese dioxide are still in the bottom, and relatively I would say the amount of that still did not change. So although I did not measure the mass, so I can't really say that, but at least visually it did not change a huge amount, or I don't think the amount really should change. So that is the catalyst throughout this reaction.